Next question. Consider following data for government securities. So the question is providing information about certain government securities. Face value is given 1 lakh, 1 lakh and 1 lakh. Rate of interest is given 0%, 10.5% and 11%. The first security has maturity time period of 1 year. The second security has maturity time period of 2 years. And third security has maturity time period of 3 years. Like that information is given. P0 is provided to us current price. It is 91,000 for this security, 99,000 for this security and 99,500 for this security. So for the individual three securities, what is the current price is provided to us in the example. Calculate the forward interest rates. It means that we are required to make the calculation of F1, F2 and F3. We are required to make the computation of forward rate for the first year, forward rate for the second year and forward rate for the third year. I want you to tell me answer that what must be F1. Now friends, यहाँ पे importantly we have to understand an important point over here is like this, that whatever is the rate of interest, that itself is not the return. In earlier examples, whatever was the rate of interest, that itself was the yield to the investor, that itself was the return to the investor. Why? Because in that case the purchase price and the redemption value was same, that is the face value. But that is not the case over here in this example. We can see that so the price of the security which has been provided to us is every time less than the face value. It means that so the return to the investor is more than the rate of interest. That is the reason, say, taking this as the spot rate, we cannot make the calculation of answer. Instead of that, we are required to make a process like this. Understanding that, say, how to make the calculation of F1. Please write an answer. Calculation of F1. It will be found like this. P0 is equal to redemption value divided by 1 plus F1. That is the way we are required to calculate the answer. So 1 plus F1 is equal to redemption value, that is 1 lakh, divided by P0, that is an amount of 91,000. So we understand that as far as the F1 is concerned, it is 1 lakh upon 91,000, that comes to 1.0989 minus 1, 0.0989, that is 9.89%. This is the way the F1 is calculated. Now heading right down, calculation of F2. Calculation of F2. Let us have understanding importantly that say how to make the calculation of F2. It will be found like this. P0 is equal to interest income of year 1 divided by 1 plus F1 plus interest income for year 2 plus redemption value at the end of the second year divided by 1 plus F1 into 1 plus F2. What is P0 for the second year security? The P0 is 99,000 and the rate of interest is 10.5%. So this is 99,000. interest income is 1 lakh into 10.5 percentage divided by 1.0989 plus 1 lakh into 10.5 percentage. That is again the interest income for the second year plus 1 lakh rupee. In absence of any information, we assume that the redemption is at face value divided by 1.0989 into 1 plus F2. That is the way F2 will be found as balancing figure. Please write down answer. So we will make the calculation like this. This is 99,000 is equal to 10,500 divided by 1.1089. 1.0989 plus interest and redemption value total 10,500 plus 1 lakh whole divided by 1.0989 into 1 plus F2. I will compute the present value of this. 10,500 divided by 1.0989, that is 9,555. So it is 99,000 is equal to 9,555 plus it is 1,500 divided by 1.0989 into 1 plus F2. That is 9,555 is transferred. So it is 99,000 minus 9,555 is equal to 1,10,500 divided by 1.0989 into 1 plus F2. So this division value will be transferred to the numerator. One plus F2 is equal to 1,10,500 divided by 99,000 minus 9,555, so 8,9445 into 1.0989. That is the way F2 will be calculated as balancing figure. So 89,445 into 1.0989, that comes to 98,291. .11. The numerator is 1,10,500. Whatever the answer that we have, from that 1 will be deducted. So the final answer is going to be 110,500 divided by 98291.11. So 1.1242 minus 1, 0.1242, that is 12.42%. This is the way the answer is supposed to be found. Heading right down, calculation of F3. Let us see, let's say how to do it. P0 is equal to interest income of year 1 divided by 1 plus F1 plus interest income for year 2 divided by 1 plus F1 into 1 plus F2. plus interest income for the third year plus redemption value whole divided by 1 plus F1, F2 and F3. That is what we understand. Okay. Now what is the P0? P0 is 99,500. What is the interest income for the first year? 11% of 1 lakh. Why? Because the face value is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh into 11%. Now this will be discounted by using the first year forward rate 1.0989 plus for the second year again it is 1 lakh into 11% divided by 1.0989 into the second year rate is 12.42. For the third year, it is again 1 lakh into 11% plus 1 lakh whole divided by 1.0989 into 1.1242 into 1 plus F3. That is the way we have set the third year forward rate. So 99,500 is equal to 11% of 1 lakh is 11,000 divided by 1.0989 plus 11% of 1 lakh is again 11,000 divided by product of these two. So in that case it comes to 1.0989 into 1.1242. So 1.2354 plus last year it is 11,000 plus 1 lakh. So it is 1 lakh 11,000 whole divided by 1.2354 into 1 plus F3. That is the way F3 will be found as balancing figure. So over here 99,500 is equal to 11,000 divided by 1.0989, that is 10,010 plus 11,000 divided by 1.2354, that is 8903 or 8904 because 99, so plus 8904 plus 1,11,000 divided by 1.2354 into 1 plus F3. Okay, so these two values are transferred on the left hand side. So 99,500 minus 10,010 minus 8904 is equal to 1,11,000 divided by 1.2354 into 1 plus F3. So now 1 plus F3 is transferred on this side is equal to 1,11,000 divided by difference. It is 99,500 minus 10,010 minus 8904. So it is 80586 into 1.2354. That is the way we will find the final answer. So 1,11,000 divided by 8056586 divided by 1.2354, that is 1.1150 minus 1. So we understand that so the F3 will be found as balancing figure. So F3 is 0.1150, that is 11.50%. That an answer. Write down a small note for the answer. In this question, comma, we cannot take rate of interest as yield to investor because P0 and redemption value are different. Full stop.